Now I've got an entire herd of hungry doves all hovering around my plastic screening. One walking across it, pecking away, can't get nowhere. One over there on the edge. They're all around the edge. They're trying to find food around the edge, but nothing on the screening. This works beautiful. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 doves out there, and they can't get to the seed underneath the screening. Yet the screening works good. The sunlight gets in, the rainwater gets in, and causes it to grow. There's one just standing, frustrated. Can't get to the seed below. Can't get there, buddy. Can't eat it. Get to the edge. Good boy.